In this video, we're going to be sharing some of the best uses for soda crystals, an essential cleaning product for every home. We've even found one use that will take you by surprise, so keep watching until the end. My name's Jo and I'm from Expert Home Tips, the first place you should turn if you want to learn about DIY, home management and more. Don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss out on the latest life hacks. For anyone that's new to this product, what are soda crystals? Soda crystals are sodium carbonate decahydrate, not to be mistaken with baking soda, washing soda or soda ash. They're mostly known for softening water and cleaning your washing machine. Beyond that, there are loads of uses for them all around the home. You can also get soda crystals in a liquid form. We've left Amazon links to both products in the description below, but you could pick them up in the laundry aisle of the supermarket. The reason why we love soda crystals so much is because they're environmentally friendly. According to the Dry Pack website, their product is biodegradable and made sustainably in the UK. It doesn't contain phosphates, bleach or petrochemicals, and it isn't tested on animals. Now let's get started with some of our favourite uses for soda crystals, beginning with how to use them in the laundry. First of all, you can use it as an additive. Soften your water and aid cleaning by adding 50 grams of soda crystals. They can either go in the drawer or the drum. If your detergent normally goes in the drum, then put your soda crystals in the drawer, and vice versa. This will stop the two products from clumping together. If you want to treat a stain, why not try a spot treatment? Liquid soda crystals work really well for this. Apply the neat solution to the stain and pop your garments in the wash straight away. If a stain really isn't budging, then we suggest trying a pre-soak. In your sink or a large bowl, make a strong solution. You'll need about 1 cup of soda crystals to 1 pint of water. Once your garment is completely submerged, leave it to soak for 1 hour. Once the time is up, wash the garment as normal. Before we move on to other household uses, let's look at how to clean the washing machine. If yours is filthy or smelly, it's just in need of a little TLC. Even though it's better for the environment, consistently washing your clothes at a low temperature will encourage mould to grow. On top of this, a buildup of limescale could be happening inside your machine. Luckily, soda crystals can fix all of this. Every month, put 500 grams into the drum and run your washing machine on a hot cycle. It might take more than 1 cycle to get rid of all the grime, especially if this is your first time cleaning the machine. Now on to how to use soda crystals around the home, starting with drains. If your plug holes are getting clogged, here's a great solution. Once a week, pour a kettle's worth of boiling water into your sink to get rid of any grease and debris. Next, pour down about a cup full of soda crystals. After about 5 minutes, wash them away with another kettle of boiling water. If you've got a grimy pan that's covered in burnt bits, you'll love this idea. Save yourself the endless scrubbing and sprinkle over a layer of soda crystals. Add a small amount of boiling water, being careful not to weaken the solution too much. Leave your pan to sit for a few hours and you'll find it's so much easier to clean. You'll be amazed by how the solution cuts through grease and carbon. Our pan is looking shinier than the day we bought it and it didn't take any work at all. Are you looking for a toilet cleaner that isn't harmful to aquatic life? Pour some soda crystals into your toilet and use a damp toilet brush to swish them around the bowl. This hack will freshen up the toilet, keeping limescale at bay without the need for any harsh chemicals. Now for our favourite and the most unusual use for soda crystals. Did you know that you can use this product to clean silver? Line a bowl with aluminium foil, shiny side up. Pour 1 cup of soda crystals into the bowl and then add hot water. Once the crystals have dissolved, fully submerge your silver in the solution. You should leave the silver for around 5 to 10 minutes and then carefully dry and polish it with a cloth. The results speak for themselves, but never use this method on silver items with precious stones. So that's our favourite use for soda crystals, but leave a comment down below telling us which one you want to try. There are just so many ways to use them, we couldn't fit them all into this video. To see the full list, head over to our website, experthometips.com. We've left a link in the description box below. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time for more Expert Home Tips.